Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday DIY. So today I am doing a little wreath for Valentine's Day. I wanted to do this earlier, but I just didn't have a chance to get it done. So by the time you see this, it will hang it on my door. So what I'm going to be using today is the heart wire frame that I got from Dollar Tree, of course. And we're just going to snip that off while I'm thinking about it. And then remember the t-shirts that I hauled a while back? We're going to be using them. And I've already pre-cut my strips. All I did was take the t-shirts and straightened them out, folded them in thirds. And then I used my wonderful new fabric shears that I got from Aldi's. And I just slit them off. And then when I cut them off, I folded them in thirds and then cut them. The only thing you have to make sure is that you take the hem off. You don't want to use this part. And I have 4 of these, and I may use these in a later day. Who knows? So what I did, like I said, I cut these up and I made strips. And the strips are about, I don't know, maybe 3.5, 4 inches long. You don't really have to measure them, but you just want to make sure that you have plenty of strips. So, and then I'm also going to be using some ribbon bundles. I had a bunch of leftover ribbon from last year, and I just cut lengths of them off and tied them together. And then I'm going to use this probably at the bottom of my wreath, but I'm not sure. So this is real easy to do. I will tell you it is time consuming. But t-shirt material is very stretchy. So you want to go ahead and stretch this. And then you're just going to make a little loop. And you need to start from the inside and work to the outside. So you're just going to stick this in and then pull it through like we do our little tags and stuff. And you're going to pull tightly. And that is all you do. And then pull it to the inside. For right now, it helps you keep up with it. And then you're going to alternate colors. So I'm going to do a white one. And just slide it through. And pull kind of tightly. Okay? And you're just going to keep working around your wireframe. And I am not going to torture you guys by watching me do this whole wireframe. So I am going to continue doing this. You really don't need that much of a tutorial, but you're just going to go all the way around. Now when you get to this part down here, you're not going to be able to cover that, and that's probably where I'm going to use my little ribbon at. So I'm going to keep working with all my little strips over here and go around the entire frame, and then when I'm done, I'll be back. Okay guys, I am finished. Not gonna lie, it took a little time, and I'm still going around and just trimming off some little pieces that I feel are a little long. But it took me about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes to do all of this. You do want to kind of trim off pieces that might be, a little extra long or whatever. But what I was talking about down here, this doesn't cover real well down here, so I put my 3 little bundles down here, and I just sort of varied them in length. This one I cut shorter at the very bottom. The next one is a little bit higher, and then the last one is a little bit higher. And so it stands up. Yep. So not a hard DIY to do for a little wreath, but it is time consuming. Time you count all your time of cutting up the t-shirt and stuff, but it is so much fun. And if you can cut the material, or if you have an older teen, they can cut the material. But once the material gets cut, this is something a child could totally do. Sit down in front of the TV and let them go looping. So it's really easy to do, but I just think it turned out super cute, and it is something different. So, I mean, I've seen other material wreaths and stuff, and they kind of stick up crunchy, whatever. But I really like this one, and I think I'm going to see. I keep finding things where I might just stick another loop in it. And I did have some material left over. Not enough to do another one, but I did have some left over. So, it's really cute though. But I'm not going to let those go to waste, not to worry. I will definitely find something to do with them. So, but anyway, you should give it a try. Now, you don't have to do this just for Valentine's Day either. You could do a green one for St. Patrick's Day. Maybe do a green and yellow and white one. All you need are t-shirts. You could definitely do this for just about any holiday. How cute would it be for Easter with pastel shirts like pink and blue and light green, and maybe put some Easter eggs down at the bottom. So lots of possibilities for this, and so I hope you will give it a try. And it's very quick and easy. Not quick to do, but very easy to do. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on that little subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. So give it a try, guys. Alright, see you again soon. Bye.